So I decided to tackle the DIY oil change on my 2024 Toyota Camry. I had never done it before, but I figured it couldn't be that hard, right? I did some research online and watched a few tutorial videos to make sure I knew what I was doing. I gathered all the necessary tools and materials: a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of oil, a wrench, a funnel, an oil pan, and some rags. I also made sure to wear old clothes that I didn't mind getting dirty. I started by parking the car on a level surface and letting the engine cool down for a bit. Then, I popped the hood and located the oil drain plug and the oil filter. I placed the oil pan underneath the drain plug to catch the old oil and loosened the plug with the wrench. As soon as I removed the plug, the old oil started flowing out. It was a messy job, but I was prepared with plenty of rags to clean up any spills. Once all the old oil had drained out, I tightened the drain plug back in place. Next, I moved on to the oil filter. I used the wrench to loosen the filter and then unscrewed it by hand. Some more oil dripped out, but I was ready for it. I made sure to clean the area around the filter before installing the new one. I applied a thin layer of oil to the rubber gasket on the new filter and screwed it in place. I made sure it was tight, but not too tight. I didn't want to risk damaging the filter or causing any leaks. With the new filter in place, it was time to add the fresh oil. I used the funnel to pour the correct amount of oil into the engine. I checked the dipstick to make sure the oil level was correct and then started the engine to let it circulate. I let the engine run for a few minutes and then turned it off to check for any leaks. Everything looked good, so I closed the hood and cleaned up my tools. I disposed of the old oil properly and made a note of when the next oil change would be due. Overall, the DIY oil change on my 2024